Hi, this is Dan from VHIX 411. Today I will show you an awesome app by VHIX 411. It is a very good app for a do-it-yourselfer if you just like to change your oil changes or do more in-depth work like troubleshooting and you need code descriptions. This is the app for you. Also, very great app for auto repair shops, auto electricians, and auto body shops. I will get right down to business showing you what it is all about. We will click on VHIX 411 app. You will get the main menu. On the main menu we have scan VIN or select vehicles. So we will scan the VIN, place the VIN close to your camera, it will read it. You got two options, codes and oil service. Codes, we'll click on the codes, which is trouble codes. We'll click that, and as you can see, we read 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 VIN number. Let's put in a code for P0340 and see what is the description for this code. As you can see, P0340 is for cam sensor. That is description. Possible causes, also very good app to tell you not just the code but possible causes and possible parts. So once you see possible parts, you can scroll to the left and right and you can see the image of a part, possible price, about price range. It will be different from different sources, as you can see, and how to videos. So for this particular trouble code P0340 and this car, you will see how to videos on how to repair it, how to replace it, how to diagnose it properly, or how to just test a sensor. So you can see for this vehicle and this part, this trouble code, you can see all the videos available for you to troubleshoot it correctly or replace it correctly. Now let's go back to the oil service. We will go back to the oil service and it will give you a step-by-step instructions on how to reset your oil or service light. Also gives you possible parts. In this case you can see a bunch of oil filters because you do need to replace an oil filter when you do your oil change before you reset your light. And last but not least is how to videos on how to reset, in-depth step-by-step instructions. Let's click this video and it will play you the video. Once it plays you the video, you can actually swipe your phone sideways and it will give you in full screen instructions. So as you can see, video instructions on how to reset your oil or service light, step-by-step written instructions, and all it is just scan the VIN number, click codes or oil, and then you got the video or written instructions. It's as simple as 1, 2, and 3. Let's go back and I will show you how to use, if you don't have a VIN number, let's say you have a 2013 Audi A4. Let's say the engine's this engine. We'll click next, and let's say if you have a P0340, same code. It will give you for this particular vehicle code description, for this particular vehicle possible causes, also for this particular vehicle possible parts, which is parts images and prices. You can scroll just like you did with the Dodge Ram, scroll to the left or the right to see what kind of part it might look like or price wise. And for this particular part you have for this particular code, for this particular part, and also for this particular vehicle, you got the video instructions on how to diagnosing it, troubleshooting it, or just replacing it. So let's go back with oil service. Same goes with the oil service. If you don't have a VIN number, you can just input it manually and you get the video instructions on the bottom and step-by-step written instructions on the top. And you can scroll down left or right for whatever the vehicle you have to reset your oil service. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you want to add your input on it, please do in the comments. We are also actually doing, I'll actually show you trouble codes. This vehicle, let's say VW or Audi. Let's say we have a code 16825, which is a generic Volkswagen VAG code. We also have the descriptions for these possible causes, and of course you can scroll down through parts, whatever the possible parts could be, and troubleshooting or repairing this code. So we are working very, very, very hard to get you all the trouble codes, not just genetic trouble codes, but Volkswagen codes, Honda specific codes, BMW specific codes, Mercedes specific codes. So we are the only app at this point that has all these codes that are genetic and also all the codes that are manufacturer specific. If we don't have a code that you searched on our app, it will be out there soon. We are adding codes on a daily. And also, this is the only app with video instructions, the only app with images of parts and possible prices of the parts. So please give me 5 thumbs up or a like on YouTube. Share this. Give your input on what you think would be great for this app. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Enjoy.